Hey, what's up? It's Brandon with North Canadian Construction, and we are super excited to launch the North Canadian Advantage. The North Canadian Advantage program is a program for everyone. Anybody who owns a business, anyone who owns a residence and wants to protect their investment with a certified company, that's what we are. We provide high quality services on our high-end projects, but we're also going to be providing the same level of quality to our other projects for the Advantage program. If you want to protect your investment today, give us a call and we'll take care of you.
Over a week ago, I had a couple of girlfriends over. We were visiting, we were gonna go get some ice cream. I had walked down to my basement to grab a sweater before we left. And when I went to the bottom of the stairs, I stepped onto the floor and my feet were totally submerged in water. And I obviously was panicking and I looked around and my entire basement was flooded. Honestly, it's just so relieving to know that I have someone who I can trust and who I know is going to be there to help me and ultimately support me when something like that is happening. I'm a young homeowner. I've only lived in this home for a year, and we're not always taught what to do when things like this happen. And so just knowing that I have someone and I have a company that's trustworthy and I know does good work and works with great trades, they can come in and they can help me out, and it's a really good feeling.
As a business owner, you want to focus your time on your business and helping your customers, because that's what your business thrives on. So taking care of the things like maintenance of a building, for example, is important, but also secondary sometimes to taking care of your customers. So having North Advantage do it is definitely helpful, and it lets us focus on the most important thing to our business, which is our customers.
It's super important to me to have time for myself and my family, because during the days I'm working like long hours. I'm a self-employed mortgage broker, especially during the summertime and this market that we're in right now. It's so busy. So for me to have that free time with my kids and for myself as well is really important to me. Being able to rely on NCC to get jobs done for me that I don't have to do myself and spend my time on is really important to me.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and you feel confident in our company to protect your investments, residentially or commercially. We will take care of you. So click the link now and join our team.